Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ram 1500 sun visor. First, let's diagnose the issue. Many times, a sun visor problem is simply a loose connection or a minor component failure. Check if your visor is sagging, completely detached, or if the clip isn't holding it. A quick visual inspection can often reveal the root cause, saving you time and effort. Often, the easiest fix involves tightening a few screws. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and check all visible screws on the visor's mounting bracket. Sometimes, the visor arm just needs to be firmly pushed back into its socket. Make sure it clicks or feels secure. This simple step can often resolve sagging or minor detachment issues quickly and effectively. If tightening doesn't work, you might have a broken clip or bracket. These parts are usually inexpensive and easy to replace. You'll need to acquire the correct replacement part for your Ram 1500. Gently pry off the old, broken piece, being careful not to damage the headliner. Then, simply snap or screw the new component into place, ensuring it's secure. Once you've made your repair, it's crucial to test the visor thoroughly. Move it through its full range of motion, ensuring it stays in place and doesn't sag. If your visor has a vanity light, check that it turns on and off properly. For smoother operation and to prevent future issues, a tiny bit of silicone lubricant on the pivot points can work wonders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.